Hi everyone. So here we have a line representing Lisa's journey from start to finish, and it's split into two sections. So first she drives for 30 minutes at 76 kilometers per hour, and then she drives for 45 minutes at 80 kilometers per hour. And our goal is to find the average speed for the whole journey. So what ingredients do we need in order to find speed? Speed is calculated by dividing the distance that is traveled by the amount of time that we took. So the first thing that we need to figure out is how far she actually traveled. First of all, let's translate our minutes into hours. So if we're gonna say 30 minutes in terms of hours, that is 1/2 of an hour, and 45 minutes can be rephrased as 3/4 of an hour. Okay, good. Now let's find out how far she traveled in each section of her journey. So for the first part, she spent half an hour traveling at 76 kilometers per hour. So she traveled for half of 76 kilometers, which is 38 kilometers. And for her second part, she traveled for 3/4 of an hour for 80 kilometers per hour. Sorry, she traveled for 3/4 of an hour at 80 kilometers per hour. So 3/4 of 80 kilometers is 60 kilometers. So now we can tell how far she went all together. 38 plus 60 gives us a total of 98 kilometers from the beginning to the end of her journey. And how long did it take her? 30 minutes for the first section and 45 minutes for the second section, which adds up to 75 minutes. And we can also express that as 1¼ or 1.25 of an hour. So now we have all the ingredients that we need in order to calculate speed. Since speed is equal to distance over time, we know that the distance traveled was 98 kilometers, and we know that the amount of time that it took was 1.25 hours. 98 divided by 1.25 comes to 78.4 kilometers per hour. That was her average speed. And when you think about it, considering she traveled part of the journey at 78 kilometers per hour and part of it at 80 kilometers per hour, it makes sense that it would be somewhere in the middle.